Leo, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong energy update for December 16 to 31, 2023. General reading, just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages. And thank you sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na ito bilang gabay. Pa-follow, like na rin ang ating Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yan Mr. Queen PH. And please check out my Shopee. Available ang mga protection and prosperity items, bracelets, zodiac sign bracelets, and many more. Link on the description. And also if you are interested in money bowls, so ito ay available rin sa aking Shopee. Now let us begin. Leo, energy update for you. Second half ng December for Leo. Okay. So, Leo, I think you are going to focus on your goals second half ng December, no? This is your overall energy, the Hierophant. You are learning. Maaring meron kang kinoconsider na gawing mentor or you are being inspired by someone na meron siyang higher knowledge, no, na ituturo sa'yo para mas mapabuti mo ang kalagayan ng inyong trabaho, ng career ninyo, ng business ninyo, or even your personal development, no? Yung iba pwedeng there is someone who's going to help you improve your mental capacity, your mental abilities, and your talents, your skills. You have the Fool. Oh, this is freedom. I think you are stepping into the unknown, bagong experiences na hindi mo pa nasusubukan before. I think you are also taking some risk. And masaya ka rito sa mga bagong susubukan mo. I also see you removing limitations around you. Breaking free. You have the Page of Pentacles. And then the Knight of Swords as your challenge. I think meron kang mga plans, no, na pwedeng merong nakikialam or kumukontra sa mga plano mo. Sinasabi na hindi siya ganun ka-viable, hindi siya ganun ka-feasible. Yung tipong parang iniisip na, sigurado ka, gagawin mo yan. Maganda ba yung magiging epekto niyan towards you? So somehow this person might be messing up with your plans, no? Yung mga plano mo kasi naisip mo na ito na yun, and then hingi ka ng advice sa iba. Pwedeng yung advice nila is hindi in alignment of what you really want, maybe because hindi nila nakikita yung visions mo towards your goals and dreams. So I suggest na kung talagang sigurado ka sa gusto mo, like what I mentioned kanina, you've been consulting with some people na alam mong mas may alam sa gusto mong i-pursue sa buhay, then you have to make sure na kung meron ka mang ikukonsulta, dapat ito talaga yung pinagkakatiwalaan mo. Kasi meron diyang mga naysayers, mga makikialam, lalo na yung iba na unsolicited advice, magsasabi na hindi maganda yung idea mo. So, ganon. Pwedeng paniwalaan mo yun But, if alam mo sa sarili mo yung kakayanan mo, ano man or sino man yung humadlang sa'yo, kumontra sa'yo, you will still pursue that. You know what? Because with the Chariot, this is pursuing your dreams, your goals. Sometimes, no, you are being presented ng dalawang options available sa'yo. And sometimes people confuses mako-confuse sila sa opportunities, no? That's why you have to follow your gut. With the Chariot as your opportunity, makakapag-decide ka what is best for you. Okay? Kasi it seems na meron ka ng direction na gustong tahakin no? Yes. Oh, Two of Wands. Yes, making decisions. Ayan na. I think your opportunity here is to finally make a decision para may movement na. Di ba kapag hindi tayo nakakapag-decide, nasa-stuck tayo dyan. Even sa mga simpleng bagay. Halimbawa, nagugutom ka na. Tapos pagdating sa restaurant, hindi ka rin makapag-decide ng kung anong ulam yung pipiliin mo or kakainin mo. So, masastuck ka sa ganong stage ng pagpili ng ulam. Unlike yung iba na nakapili na talaga, then they will go directly to the cashier to pay for that, no? For the food. And makakain mo na. But I feel like you have the opportunity to finally make a decision ngayong December. And your blessing is the King of Pentacles. This is related to your finances, to your career. My blessing. You have the Eight of Cups. Some of you are leaving a career, a situation, a business, a job na alam mong hindi mo dine-deserve because you deserve something better. Yung iba, aalis sa corporate world, magtatayo ng sarili nyong business because the King of Pentacles is someone na business-minded. Siya yung boss, okay? So, yung iba naman, you may be leaving a job na sa tingin mo, hindi ka nabibigyan ng opportunities. Sa tingin mo, you are just feeling stuck in that situation, walang growth. And ikaw na mismo yung maghahanap ng growth para sa career mo by choosing another company, no, or another path na nakakakita ng iyong potentials, na magbibigay sa iyo ng pagkakataon na mag-grow. Okay? You also have Moon in Virgo in the 6th house. Marami kang mga i-organize ngayong second half ng December. May mga isusort out ka, no? Na sa tingin mo ay may mga bagay na kailangan ka na i-let go, i-release, mga lumang damit, mga gamit na alam mong nagka-clutter lang, no, sa bahay mo, sa space mo. So this is a form of decluttering. Okay? So you have Mercury in Aries in the 1st house. Very busy sa'yo ang second half ng December. Marami kang makakausap, marami kang gagawin, marami kang pupuntahan. Short travels or local travels. You also have Venus in Leo in the 5th house. So this is connections with other people. Some of you, pwedeng you may be going out on a date with someone. You will try to get to know someone romantically if you are single. But kung meron ka naman ng relationship, I think mas magbibigay kayo ng oras sa isa't isa ng iyong partner, okay? Magbibigay kayo ng oras sa isa't isa ng iyong partner na kung saan you are going to make up for the lost time, no? Lalo na kung naging busy kayo pareho before, so ngayong second half, you will be going out more often with your romantic partner. So, tinan pa natin, money, career, finances. Ayan, skills. Investing on your skills. So, yung iba sa inyo, mag-i-invest sa inyong skills. May i-improve kayo sa abilidad ninyo. Ito yung paraan para mas lumakas yung inyong earning capabilities. And you are also divinely guided. Yung iba sa inyo, nakakita kayo ng mga synchronicities, repeating numbers, may mga signs na nagiging available para sa inyo. Para ma-realize nyo na, oh, you are on the right path. You are divinely guided. Yes. Leo, you are very talented. So, you're honing your talents and skills. Yung iba sa inyo magaling sa art. You are going to make fortune in your creativity. So, yung iba, pwedeng, ayan yung i-explore nyo, madidiscover nyo, yung iba nyo pang talents. Mga hidden talents and skills nyo na pwede nyo siyang pagkakitaan, 'di ba? Masarap kumita ng pera dahil lang sa iyong talents, no? You don't need to be employed by a company because of your services or your skills, but ikaw mismo, no? Some of you are going to be pursuing a career na base sa inyong talents. Meron talagang romantic connections. Second half ng December, you are going to explore feelings from this person. Meron ka nang i-let go na tao sa buhay mo na yung parang paulit-ulit na lang na nagkakamali. Tapos sorry na lang ng sorry na alam mong nagiging cycle na, nagiging vicious na tong taong to. And I feel like you're going to let go of this because you've had enough. Okay? And you are going to explore new connections. Oo. Ngayong second half ng December. Let us see what else for Leo. A time to give rather than take. New Moon in Virgo. Virgo energy. Iba sa inyo malakas ang Virgo energy. So, you are going to be giving more, no, sa mga taong dinideserve nila. Yung care mo, yung efforts mo. It's time to release negativity. Yes. So you are letting go of those negative energies around you. Kung hindi nakakatulong na sa'yo sa growth mo, it's just giving you toxicity, you're going to release them. A win-win outcome is forecast. So whatever you're going to pursue, still, ikaw pa rin yung winner, no? Ano man yung magiging kahihinatnan niyang gusto mong i-pursue sa buhay ngayong December 16 to 31. Yes, you are also going to focus on your resources, your finances, your income. Andito yung care mo, pagmamahal mo. And Mercury is also communication, networking. A lot of travels then for some of you. Maaring meron kayong i-discover na other opportunities related sa mga abilities and skills nyo na pwedeng magpasok ng pera sa inyo. Okay? So, that is your reading, Leo. Kung gusto nyo ito naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan, like, share, subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Leo. See you again.